Have you ever wondered how insurance companies manage to navigate the complex world of law to ensure they're always on the right side? Well, it's a journey that involves a specialized field known as insurance law. This intriguing area of study beautifully merges the nitty-gritty of insurance policy with the vast universe of law. Now you might ask, who sails these choppy legal waters? Enter the insurance lawyer, an expert navigator if you will. These legal maestros interpret and apply insurance policies in a myriad of circumstances. Whether it's an auto accident, a house fire, or a medical malpractice claim, insurance lawyers play a crucial role in determining the applicability of insurance coverage. They are the key players who dive deep into the policy's fine print, interpret the legalese, and ensure that both the policyholder and the insurance company get a fair deal. Understanding the role of an insurance lawyer provides the first step in comprehending the legal waters of insurance. So, how does an insurance lawyer navigate these legal waters, you ask? Well, it's a three-step dance, really. First, they have to understand the insurance policy. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but it's easier said than done. Insurance policies are complex documents filled with jargon and legalese. An insurance lawyer needs to decipher this text, understand the policy's ins and outs, and become familiar with the coverage, exclusions, and conditions. It's like unraveling a mystery novel, but with a lot more fine print. Next, they interpret the policy in light of the law. This is where their legal expertise comes into play. They have to take the policy and analyze it under the microscope of legal principles. This involves looking at precedents or past court decisions and statutes, which are laws passed by the legislature. For instance, if a policy excludes coverage for acts of God, what does that mean? What counts as an act of God? The answer often lies in the legal interpretation. Lastly, they apply the policy to specific situations. This is the crux of an insurance lawyer's job. They take the policy, as understood and interpreted, and apply it to the facts of a particular case. For example, if a client's house is damaged in a storm, the lawyer would look at the policy, consider the legal interpretation of relevant terms, and then determine whether the damage is covered. It's a bit like solving a puzzle, where the pieces are the facts of the case, the policy terms, and the legal interpretation. By following this process, insurance lawyers ensure that their clients' rights are protected and their obligations are clearly defined. It's a delicate balance, a dance of sorts, between understanding the policy, interpreting it legally, and applying it practically. But it's this dance that allows them to navigate the often murky waters of insurance law, guiding their clients safely to shore. And that, my friends, is how the magic happens. By following this process, insurance lawyers ensure that their clients' rights are protected and their obligations are clearly defined. Navigating legal waters in insurance might seem daunting, but remember these key points. An insurance lawyer, first and foremost, plays a crucial role in understanding, interpreting, and applying an insurance policy. The understanding phase involves getting a clear grasp of the policy's terms and conditions. This forms the foundation of all subsequent actions. Next, interpreting the policy is essential. Here, the lawyer unravels the complex legal jargon, transforming it into understandable language. This step is crucial in ensuring that all parties are on the same page about their rights and obligations. Finally, the application of the policy comes into play. This is where the lawyer ensures that the policy is implemented correctly, protecting the interests of the insured party. Each step is vital, and none can be overlooked. It's like a three-legged stool. Remove one leg, and the whole structure collapses. With these points in mind, the complexities of insurance law become a little less intimidating. So, whether you're a law student, a policyholder, or just an interested individual, understanding the legal waters of insurance can be insightful. As we've explored in our journey today, it's not just about the lawyers or the legal eagles. It's about each of us, everyday people making sense of a complex system that touches our lives in many ways. Insurance law is not just a labyrinth of jargon and clauses. It's a roadmap to understanding your rights, your protections, and yes, even your responsibilities. And that understanding, that clarity, can empower you. It can guide your choices, safeguard your interests, and ultimately help you navigate the unpredictable sea of life with a bit more confidence. So, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep engaging with the world of insurance law. Because the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions, to protect your rights, and to ensure your peace of mind. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to complex fields like insurance law.